Hi guys, Margarita from Social Link Agency. Today I want to talk to you about optimization process on Facebook. First of all, optimization process is the process where you can improve your ad results right now, can decrease your price that you pay for lead, for sales and so on, and generally improve all of your ad performance. So we go to Ads Manager in order to start our optimization, and here you have a lot of different buttons and menu. We're gonna start from columns, performance. We need to start customizing this in order to get all the data from our ads and to understand what exactly should we improve, change, and so on. So I'm clicking on performance, going to customize columns, and this is everything I'm getting from Facebook right away, but that's not enough. Right now we have 20 columns selected. We need to add additional measures here in order to analyze our data. So first of all, I'm checking if we have reach and impression, and I'm adding to it frequency. If you saw my previous video about frequency, you will understand why we need this measurement. I will add CPM as well. It's very important. This is the measurement that Facebook actually charges on. So our main priority is to lower our CPM as much as possible. In that case, we're going to pay for click, for CPC lower, and of course our results will be cheaper as well. So I'm going to add CPC here, CPC all and CPC per link click, and also CTR. In addition to that, I want to know how many clicks did I have. We can actually switch places between all of those measures if it's important or more comfortable to us. So this is basic setup of measurement. We need to have CPM, CPC, and our CTRs. You can add a lot of different data here, depends on what's your campaign goal, if it's page engagement, if it's post engagement. So you can add everything here. You have the action and you have a cost per action, so you need to add them both in order to realize what is going on. You can add website conversions if you're running that kind of campaign, that kind of ads, and up and so on. So but this is the basic measures you need to have in your columns in order to just understand how good your campaign is working. The next step for us, when we actually choose everything, we need to go to ad set level, and from here you actually need to optimize. You can't optimize it yet on campaign level because you don't have all the data. You need to optimize it by each of your ad sets. So this is the first step for your optimization. Basically, the idea now is just to look on data and try to lower your CPM, your CPCs, and your frequency if possible, and that way you're going to pay less for your results. If you like this video, click like, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any more questions, just comment below.